congratulate everyone for having this new concept in the city where we have gaming and it's very close to the US Embassy. And I'm sure people close by will be very convenient for them to come here and relax and they can work. And even the kids, they can come for the gaming. I think this is the first gaming cafe in Chennai where they can just come, read, relax, and they can do their work. So I'm really happy. I like the ambience, beautifully done. So all the very best.
Hi all, it's my pleasure to be here during the inauguration of Hustle, one of the most happening to be places in Chennai, and it's right opposite the American Embassy, and I'm sure it's going to pull a lot of youngsters and young girls and boys to hang out here. Basically in Chennai we do not have the concept of women going to small shops to unwind, but then they are always more than welcome to come to a place like this where they can game and also have their favorite drinks and eats. So I think place is going to be one of the most loved places in Chennai, and I'm sure these fantastic owners, this will do very well. Thank you.
Hi, this is Sonali Jain, and pleasure having ma'am here at Hustle Cafe. And Hustle Cafe will be a very good point for the people who's waiting outside the American Embassy, and evenings for the teenagers, the college goers to have a game zone plus cafe, which we really find it hard, which we don't find it in Chennai especially. So this is going to be the best place. So Chennai Makkale, it is something nice for you to visit. So do come and have a look and have a nice munching food items here and the coffee or your mocktails at Hustle Cafe. Thank you. Yes, there is inaugural offer and it is absolutely a pocket friendly where it is not expensive at all. I would only say just one plus than what you have it at tea shop. So I'm sure you can imagine how it is. So this is being started by Mr. Sujit, Mr. Harry, Mr. Prakash. Yeah, these are the people who have started the amazing idea of starting the cafe. And I think every embassy should have something like this opposite to that. So it is easy even for the women, girls, and who are standing out with the papers and having a tough time. So that's the best thing.
I want to congratulate the owners of the Hustle coffee shop, Sujit and his friends, Prakash and Manoj, on inaugurating this place, especially during this very difficult time. This is a very difficult time for all of us. I think we need a break. A coffee break is a must. It's the least we can have. So congratulations. And the name is very apt to the location. I think it's too much of a hustle here. So I think you'll have a good time running the place. Congratulations. Yeah. Congratulations. Thank you very much. Thank you.